hospital. We're just having breakfast and magsiswimming yung mga bata after then mag-check out ng kami. Okay, good morning! Hello! Hi, Holly! Good morning, Holly! Morning, Holly! Wait here. Wait for Daddy. Nasaan po si Holly? Hi. Say thank you. Kakainin niya lang yan. Morning. Morning, Dad. Ito yung breakfast nila. Magsawa ka mo.
Oo nga eh, ano?
Morning. Cheese, Beb. Done. Cheese. Thank you. Ano? Do you have a high chair?
How about some coffee and chocolate tea?
Do you want coffee, though, Mom? Yes, she wants coffee. Taho? Kuya, go. Gawin kita taho. Thank you. Hi, Kuya. Taho, please. Yeah. Ay, ano yan? Yeah, taho. Kuya, go there. Taho. Yes, isa lang muna. Pwede yan sa baby, di ba? Okay. Ayan, may taho sila dito. Oh. Wag na lang. Ano na lang, syrup. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya. Ayan o, yung naglilibot na newspaper. Nakabag. Thank you. You want some? It's Holly's having taho. They're having taho, Holly. Hindi ko na pinalagyan ng sago. Sarap. Wait, where's Peppa? You gonna have Peppa? You gonna eat Peppa? Here, taho. Taho. Gusto niya yung taho, oh. you have hot, cold chocolate?
Cold chocolate chip.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Ganyan po, ma'am.
Isa lang. Thank you. Thanks, ate. Yes, coming, baby. Coming. TJ, you have to eat here because this is a lot of food here, TJ.
What's in it?
Thank you, Kuya. What's that, Kuya?
This French omelette station, ma'am.
Omelette station.
Fried egg station, ma'am.
Okay. Wala yung isa eh. So later na lang
Yes,
ako.
ma'am. Kasi ba marami kayo kanina nakita ko po. Kaya din
Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Thank you.
Yes. Can I have it?
I asked you before, you said no. So that's for Holly. You have to have... Hingi ka doon, no? Ayun na, wala na. Later na lang. Croissant. Croissant. Like, kumuha na pala siya doon, kuya. Ang galing, ah. May push cart sila for omelette. Meron na ako, ma'am? Hindi, okay na. Thank you. Ayan.
Ma'am, my name is Chef Jan, ma'am. Assist you, ma'am.
Okay, no, that's for now. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
She have a good job riding the bike.
Now, what are you doing?
Thank you, kuya. Sarap.
Sabi ni Dan.
Ang daming pagkain na pagpipilian. newspaper. Ito yung kinuha ko, yung maliliit na crabs. Very crunchy. Ayan. Japanese siya. Tapos ito yung fried rice saka cold noodles. Ito yung pangalawa kong kuha. Ayan.
Tingnan mo, nagustuhan nila. Yan mo, basta. You don't like them, darling.
How about the raspberry one? Yeah, you have see the spoon there, Zach? Get that spoon. Zach, no? Zachary. Zach. Your mom.
Sinukot-kot niya, oh. Tapos sinasak.
Are you alright? Ito, oh. Hindi ito, oh. Hindi ito ba? Ayan mo. Nandyan. Ayan. Ayaw mo? Gusto ngayon mag-breakfast. Saka yung mga bata kasi nagsiswimming na sila. Nawali ako mag-breakfast kasi nga pinauna ko silang kumain. So, yun. Ah,
You have these stickers.
yeah.
What floor, ma'am?
L.
Lobby, ma'am.
P. Is it going down?
It's going up.
Oh, it's going up now.
You can transfer others.
Okay.
How's your day now?
Good. Very nice. The kids is having fun. Nasa pool na naman sila.
As of now, ma'am.
No. Hindi makakain ng breakfast kasi yung isip nila nasa pool. For sure, gutom sila pag... Thank you. Tapos L. P. Swimming. Is it P? Yeah.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Second day ng mga bata mag-swimming dito. Jack! Tyron! Nagising na, ma'am? Kanina pa? Ayaw! Do you wanna go swimming? No. Holly! Do you wanna go swimming?
Yes, ma'am. Sabi ko nga ganyan. Sabi ko na sila kaganito.
Yan ang damit niya pa uwi eh.
Damit mo pala yan.
Holly! last day mo here. So, nag-change lang ako kasi si Holly gusto niya rin mag-swimming.
不行，那我卖业完了开过，开的全是场子。完我现在找。
Thank you. Ang sarap. Naririnig mo siya? Holly! Holly! Oh, jaga-jaga. This is our second day here sa pool. Don't si Holly, ah. Holly! Ay, Holly, no. No. She's loving it. Hey! Are you having fun? Look at that one, Holly. Oh. Where did you buy that one? Where did you buy this?
Why?
Where? Oh, internet. Oh, thanks. That's nice. You need like this one, Holly. You should try. Hi, she can try. Is it alright? I'll try. Okay, thank you. Try, Holly. Wow. You're gonna try this one. Wow. Is it nice, Holly? May nagpairam kay Holly ng ano. This one? Yeah. Hold your Holly. Yay! Say thank you.
Hey, guys, like.
No. No. Holly. Is it nice, Holly? Nice. Boy, careful. Why they're not letting them, honey, with the...
Oh, he got thrown off again. He's can't do nothing really.
Okay, here's Zach. Okay, go. He's not going, go. Come on, Alex. Come on. Give it back to the baby. Say thank you. Okay, what is it? Oh, no, what did you do, hon?
Oh, so
Wait, Zach. Don't be silly, Zach.
Velcro.